Victoria, hello. Look at how gorgeous the flowers are at Walmart, and there's tons of them. I'll show you. So gorgeous. The bells, I call these bells. Tulips. So pretty. Gorgeous. Love the bright colors. There's like tons of them all the way down. I want to buy them all. Look at how pretty these are, and tomato plants and everything. So pretty. Look at that, it's gorgeous. And the yellow, very pretty. I love you. Oh, and there's some more. Look how gorgeous, look how vibrant. So pretty. Have a good day.